Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by placing a compressor on the vocal track and choosing a vocal or opto style. Set input gain so the plugin reads around 0 dB, give yourself 6 dB headroom. Once patched, select a moderate ratio like 3:1 and a medium attack to catch peaks without killing transients. Make sure to enable look-ahead only if needed. Use a sidechain high pass at about 120 Hz to avoid pumping from low rumble, and preview loudly, adjusting gain staging as you go. Now refine the compressor controls. Set attack between 5 and 30 ms depending on how punchy you want the vocal to be, and choose a release from 50 to 300 ms so the compressor breathes with phrasing. Once done, soften the knee to smooth sudden gain changes and engage program-dependent or auto-release if available for natural behavior. Make sure to monitor the gain reduction meter while toggling settings. Adjust ratio and threshold until peak sits steady without flattening. Finish by matching loudness. Use makeup gain so the compressed vocal equals the bypass level, and then ride automation for phrasing where compression can't fix uneven words. Once done, add gentle parallel compression or bus the vocal to a group for gluing with EQ after compression. If you run into pumping or loss of tone, make sure to cut bass from the detector, try a slower attack, or back off the ratio. Also check sidechain HPF and reset gain staging to eliminate distortion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.